Boudreaux and Thibodeau's trying to get themselves a job, so Boudreaux goes in first, and that guy said, hearing and seeing here is real important. I need to ask you a couple questions. If you was blind in one eye, what would you be? I'd be partially blind. You're blind in both eyes, what would you be? I'd be totally blind. Guy said, you did real good. We'll call you something up pertaining your job. Boudreaux goes outside, gives Thibodeau the answers. Partially blind, totally blind. He walks in, that guy said, hearing and seeing is real important. I need to ask you a couple. If I cut off one of your ears, what would you be? I'd be partially blind. If I cut off both ears, what would you be? I'd be totally blind. He said, how are you going to be blind if I'm cutting off your ears? Because my hat done fell slap over my eyes.